So the EOC is just an abbreviation for Emergency Operations Centers. There are several Emergency Operations Centers across the state of Missouri. MoDOT has 7 in each district and 1 at the MoDOT EOC. And we also have the State Emergency Operations Center, which is located at SEMA, the State Emergency Management Agency, in which we represent ESF1, MoDOT does, ESF1 Transportation, and we are one of 15 different ESF that are representative during any type of activation. So the EOC's role prior to event is we are the ones who are going to be watching the weather. We work directly with the National Weather Service. We're kind of monitoring that. And when I say the EOC, that's a combination of the Safety and Emergency Management Division and the Maintenance Division, because it's really maintenance operations. So we're working together and we're watching these forecasts come out. When we get a storm that we know it's going to produce some sort of an event with accountable ice, snow, or maybe even flooding, it's just any type of where we may need to respond, we will have situational calls 48 hours out. We'll have another one at 24 hours out. And then when we get to the actual day of the situation, that's when we go into our 6-hour rotation. We'll have them at 9, 3, and 9. And we also have that one saved for in the middle of the night, just in case there is something, but there is that middle of the night one. As situations arise and things change quickly, we can have the ability to quickly have an ad hoc call, which brings all of our partners into that meeting to quickly get that information shared. When we get a winter weather event, so there are triggers that allows for an EOC to activate. So districts are made up of superintendent areas. So what our triggers or our guidelines are, if you have 2 or more superintendent areas actively responding to an incident, like a snow event, we would go ahead and ask for your EOC to stand up because you have field crews out responding. Once you have 3 districts EOC stand up, that is when the MoDOT EOC will stand up. Now that's just kind of general guidelines. There are situations where we may operate earlier. We may go ahead and activate that early depending on the type of storm we're having. And the same thing for the district. Depending on the situation, but the general guideline is 2 superintendents or 3 districts would cause an EOC activation. The EOC working with other agencies is really a vital part of how we operate here across the state of Missouri. So when we have a MoDOT EOC call, we do invite some of these partners. The Missouri State Highway Patrol will be on. SEMA will be on, and National Weather Service. They will join our calls to hear our call, and they actually report out as well what their plan is. And that just shows that partnership we are building. It really helps us in the event when we really have things going on. We know the players, and it's just quick and fast response.